Okay, well, thank you so much, everyone who had a part in this. I truly appreciate it. Like they said, I had no idea, so I really am just off the cuff here. But I really love what I do every single day, and the kids that I get to impact every single day mean everything to me, whether that's just in my classes or through FFA or through helping our CTE department teachers. I just really love what I do, and I love seeing that each of you have a purpose, and what you want to do in life truly does matter. And I hope that you know that, and I know that your teachers tell you that every day. And I hope that you're inspired to do the best with your life, because each of you can do whatever you set your mind to. I truly do believe that, and so do your teachers. So please just remember that on a day-to-day basis. And I'm honored to receive this and to be able to grow even more as an educator. So thank you very much.